to cut up. I go thrifting way more than the average person because I'm probably addicted. Anyways, so I'm going to cut out my clothing and make it look better, hopefully. I have 3 pieces that I'm going to be cutting up today. So this first thing is a polo-ish shirt thing. I got it from the Salvation Army. It's the brand Buggle Boy company. So it has this like nice pattern on it, and I like it, but what would make it 100 times better is if it was cropped, so that's what I'm going to try to do with this one. I got these and they're like gingham. They're really high-waisted and they fit me really nice, but the thing is they're so long. They look like I'm a child. I don't know, they're too long, I just don't like them. So I'm going to cut those. And then my last thing, I originally got to wear as jeans. It's these pair of like mom jeans. They're really cute mom jeans and I like them a lot. They're like cool right here. And then on the back it has like a little patch and then there's like no pockets, which I think is really cool. My only issue is I'm skinny. So when I put these on, they look like balloon pants. So I'm going to cut them into shorts. Hopefully that'll look good. So you are going to need 2 things to complete this task. One is a desire to craft. And the second one is scissors. Caught those on the first try. I'm going to take this shirt and I'm going to crop it. Now, how I'm going to do that is really hard. So what I'm going to do is just cut the bottom off. But first to do that, I'm going to put the shirt on. Okay. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take your pen. You're going to decide where you want it cropped. So I want it probably right here. So now I'm just going to cut straight across. This is a really like unheard of thing to do. That seems really cropped, but I trust myself. That's not true. Okay, ooh, we're just gonna go for it. Okay, so now my shirt is cut and cropped, and you might be thinking, I know what you're gonna do next. You're gonna hem the shirt. Wrong, I don't know how to do that, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. Okay, next I'm taking my high-waisted gingham shorts and I'm going to make them not so awkwardly long. So what I'm going to do is similar to what I just did. I'm going to put them on, put a line where I want them. Okay, so I think I'm going to cut like this much off. Anyways, so we're going to cut there. So cut it right. That I'm going to cut into shorts. Pretty cute like this, but they just literally look ginormous on my legs. Exhibit A. I'm going to take a pair of shorts I also cut, and I'm going to use them for reference here. I think. I don't really know. I cut these and they look great, but I didn't take a video of it because I didn't think they would. And I can't get the fly. Okay, so we want this, but we also... Okay, so I'm going to cut like right here. Yep. Oh my god, I'm just going. Like, I literally didn't think about that. I just started going. So, my last tip before we go to the try-on portion is you can take the scraps of your jeans and you don't want those to go to waste. So what I suggest doing is sleeves.